Did you know that investors are now able to build homes from the ground up for less? You should take a look at modular homes. Basically, it's when sections of homes are built in factories and then assembled on site. And you can get a conventional loan for modular homes even if you are an investor. Three things to know about this. Number one, most mortgage lenders don't like to work with individuals buying modular homes because there are some extra regulations. But from an investor's point of view, modular homes cost less to build with ground up construction. So you may be able to get a home for less than you can buy one. Number two, getting a mortgage on a modular home is kind of tricky, so work closely with your lending professional to make sure you're following all of the guidelines. And number three, make sure your lender has open communication with the underwriter and your contractor. If you want to know more about loans for modular homes, you can check out my contact information in the description. I am here to assist all of my investors to basically level up in 2024. Take care. Have a blessed day.